so it's session 3. First thing we're going to do is look at our vocabulary. Okay, so try and say the vocabulary word before me, and then I will say it in a phrase and you repeat. This is a satellite. This is a rocket. These are the planets. This planet is Venus. This person is an astronaut. This is a meteorite. This is a comet. This is an asteroid belt. These are rings. This planet is Neptune. This planet is Jupiter. This planet is Mercury. Okay, so that was a very quick look at the vocabulary you have done before. We're going to look at the story again so you can hear it. Follow the text and read as we go. Are you ready? Pages 44 and 45, our story. The meteorite. Ravi, Josh, Lily and Dad are at the top of the lighthouse. They're looking at the night sky. Wow, it's really clear tonight. I can see lots of stars. Can we see any planets, Dad? Yes, look at the brightest, shiniest star in the sky. It isn't really a star, it's Venus. Venus is the closest planet to Earth. Suddenly, Lily sees something moving quickly across the sky. Look, it's a shooting star. Wow, that's really close. They hear a loud noise. What was that? That wasn't a shooting star, it was a meteorite. It's falling on the beach. Let's go and see. Ravi, Lily, Josh and Dad hurry to see the meteorite. Meteorites fall down to Earth. Sometimes people find them. Wow, cool! They look for the meteorite on the beach. What's that over there? Ah, it's just a shiny rock. Is that the meteorite, Lily? No, it isn't. It's a starfish. Poor thing. Lily wants to take the starfish home, but Dad has got a better idea. Can we take it home? No, it's a living thing. We must put it back in the sea. It needs water. Dad and the children look all over the beach, but they can't find the meteorite. Well, we didn't find the meteorite, but we saved the starfish. Okay, so we've looked at our vocabulary and our story. Now we're going to look at some new vocabulary. And we are going to look at some adjectives which describe items. Okay, so in your pupils' books, we are going to Unit 4, Lesson 4, this one here with our circles up the top on page 46. Okay? So you should have a list with the email on what this vocabulary means. So our first one is shiny. Shiny is brilliant. Shiny. Expensive. Car. Expensive. Our next one, modern. Modern. Heavy. Pesat. Heavy. Powerful. Potent. Powerful. Interesting. Interessant. Interesting. Okay, so you should have those translations. Let's do them again. I will say them, you repeat them. Shiny. Expensive. Modern. Heavy. Powerful. Interesting. Now with these, we also have our superlatives. So do you remember from our hot, we put est, hot, hottest. We have a new word, shiny. We can make shiniest, the most shiny thing, the shiniest. But sometimes when we have a longer word like modern or powerful or interesting, we put the word most in front. So we have most modern, most powerful, most interesting for the longer words. Okay? So hot, hottest, shiny, shiniest, modern, most modern. Okay, so we are going to look at number 2 in our book. Okay, so we're going to follow the dialogue here. Now this has got some of our superlatives for our new vocabulary, like shiniest, but most modern, the differences. Okay? So, following this dialogue in your book. I made a rocket all by myself. It's the best rocket in the world. It's the most powerful rocket, the most expensive rocket. It's the fastest rocket in the world. I made a rocket all by myself. It's the best rocket in the world. It's the shiniest rocket, the most modern rocket. It's the greatest rocket in the world. I made a rocket all by myself. It's the best rocket in the world. It's the heaviest rocket, the most interesting rocket. It's the most fantastic rocket in the world. I made a rocket all by myself. It's the best rocket in the world. Okay, So we're going to use our new vocabulary and our new superlatives in our activity books. So activity books, I want you to open them to page 41. We're Unit 4, Lesson 4. And you will have all the pictures of our new vocabulary at the top and this grey box. Okay? So I want you to write in number 1 what our vocabulary is. So number 1 is already done. It's shiny. Can you also write the superlative? So we have shiny, shiniest. Let's look at the second one. It's heavy, heavy. So write heavy. Our superlative would be heaviest, heaviest. Okay, so finish those writing the superlative. Now on number 2, we're going to correct the grammar table. So write the sentences in order. In the grey box here, they are not correct. We need to put them in a different order here. So the first one, number 1, here, you're going to write on number 1 here. We have the red rocket is the heaviest rocket. The red rocket is the heaviest rocket. Okay? So put all those correct here. Next, number 3, write about the rockets. So you have pictures of rockets with information. How heavy, how expensive, how old. So with your words here, powerful, the first one. Rocket A is the most powerful rocket. Rocket A is the most powerful rocket. Number 2, you are using heavy. So we have the weights. Rocket A is 150. So rocket A is the heaviest rocket. Can you complete those? And then that's done. Okay, have fun with those and I will see you in the next session. Bye!